my hand hurt. Lord.
Want me to do it?
You go ahead, Popeye.
Popeye. Popeye.
Exactly. Go ahead.
Wake up in my bed, I just wanna have a good day. Get in my head.
Hi guys, welcome to our kitchen. Today we are going to make some pretzels.
It's your boy shout out here. It's your boy shout out here.
Anyways, today we're gonna make pretzels. Neither of us have ever made pretzels before, so this will be both of our first time. I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yes.
So that means yes? Okay. So we're gonna get right into it. I have a recipe here. It's from justtotaste.com and it is their homemade soft pretzel twist. Honestly, I don't know. I didn't see anything about this recipe. I just picked it because it had like all the stuff I already have. So I just did this one. All right, our hands are already washed and let's get started with the first thing to do. It says in a bowl of a stand mixer, which I do not have. In a bowl of a stand mixer, combine the water, sugar, and kosher salt, and sprinkle yeast on top and allow it to sit for 5 minutes until it begins to foam. Okay, bet. So, Rain, can you do this?
What?
Can you put the sugar and the salt in this bowl? And I'm gonna get some water.
Okay. What's my tricks? All of it?
Yeah. So I have 1.5 cups of water here, and I'm gonna put this in there as well. And it says combine. I think of combine, I think of something being like mixed together. So I'm gonna get a whisk.
Whiskey business.
Okay. So we'll leave this aside. Okay, and then now we need to sprinkle the yeast on top. So this is the yeast. Look at it.
Looks like rice.
Not really. So it's been 5 minutes and this is what we've got so far. We have on aprons now because I felt like we weren't being festive enough. So, and also I didn't want flour all over my clothes. So I put on an apron and then he wanted to help too. So let me move you guys closer. Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty good, right? I think that looks good. All right. Okay, so they, ooh. Okay, so I called my mom because I didn't know. I thought it was supposed to be like foamy or something, but she said that was fine. And so we're gonna move on. All right, so now we need to add flour and butter. It's supposed to be melted. I thought it was gonna be melted by now. I guess it's cold in here. So.
I think you should put it at the same time. That's what I did.
No, it says add the flour, then add flour and butter. So I'm gonna add the. Wait, so slow.
Why so slow?
I said go slow.
Oh.
That's what I meant to say anyway. Okay.
Whoa.
Okay. And then the butter. Okay. Secure. Okay, so I don't have a stand mixer. So we're about to have to do this by hand, I guess.
It smells good.
Does it?
Yeah. If it didn't, then I would not like it smell like. Can I help you?
We have this mixer.
That might make a mess.
And this is supposed to be for dough. So let's try it out. Cause that's gonna be hard to mix by hand. It's already getting hard to mix up.
Yeah, it's getting like fluffy.
All right, let's try this out.
Oh no, hang on me.
Okay. Oh, okay. Ooh, my hand hurts. Lord.
Want me to do it?
You go ahead, Popeye.
Popeye. Popeye.
Exactly. Go ahead. Rain, don't make a mess. Stop stirring the dough.
It's tough.
I was trying to tell you. I'm trying to spin it off so we don't have to clean, like try to rip it off. Remove the dough from the bowl. In the clean bowl, wait, what? Clean the bowl and then grease it with vegetable oil. Return the dough to the bowl and cover it with plastic wrap and place it in a warm place for an hour or until the dough has doubled in size. Oh, well you was trying to chop it. So that's a lot. I didn't mean to put that much. Excuse me, sir. Okay. And this is our dough. Wait. Look at those little bits. This is some nice dough.
Let me out. Oh, those little bits.
In the bowl.
No, it's not done.
It is done. Put it in the, put it in the, oh. The paper towel stuck to it. Okay, put it in the bowl. Boom. All right, so now we're going to cover it with plastic wrap and place it in a warm place. I am going to put it on top of the refrigerator because my mom used to make bread and that's where she used to put her bread. Not bread. This, I guess pretzels are still bread. Anyways, I'm gonna put it on top of the refrigerator because I know she used to put her bread up there because it's warm on top of the refrigerator. So I'm gonna put it on top of the fridge and we'll see you guys in an hour. But this is what it looks like. Isn't it beautiful? We are back. It's been a little over an hour because I looked at the dough and honestly it didn't look like anything happened, so I just put it back. So let's see what it looks like.
Still looks like it's
It looks
bigger.
the same. You think it's bigger?
Yeah. It's bigger. Oh, it feels ickier too.
Maybe it did get bigger. It doesn't look bigger to me. It looks the same.
I think it's... No.
Whatever. We're moving on. I sprayed some parchment paper and lined a cookie sheet and I put the water in the pot over here so that we can boil the pretzels. Okay, so the next step, and I preheated the oven. So, oh, well, 1 second. Have to bring the water to a boil first. I should have did that. It says stir together. Oh, and I'm supposed to put baking soda inside of the water. So I'm gonna put the baking soda in the water. Wait. Yeah, okay, that's right. So I stir the baking soda in the water and bring it to a rolling boil is what it says. So while we're waiting on that, let's follow the next okay. What? Oh, okay. So turn the dough. This is so much oil. Do not flour your work surface. Okay. Turn the dough onto your surface, okay? And divide it into 12 equal pieces.
12.
We don't have anything to cut this dough with. Okay, use a knife. I'm gonna give you some dough in a second. So we're gonna cut it. Well, something definitely happened because it feels fluffier. So I'm gonna cut it in half. And then I'll cut it in half again. Applying even pressure, roll each piece of dough out 18 to 20 inches. Wait, into an 18 to 20 inch rope. Fold each rope in half. Okay, this is the part where you make the pretzel.
Okay, so what
So, I'm gonna give you some.
Let me see it.
This is yours.
Okay. Merry Christmas!
Alright, so the water is boiling and it's making my pot look a little funky, but it's gonna be alright. So it's supposed to put the pretzels in for 30 seconds. And, oh, it's hot. And then get them out. So I'm gonna put the first one in right. Okay. 30 seconds. Ah!
Is it working?
It's working, I guess. Let me turn the light on.
Oh, close. I would have been like, well,
Yay!
if it didn't work, then I had to use one of my fruits experience, obviously, right?
Which one would you have to use?
Faithfulness. I mean, self-control.
All the pretzels have been boiled in the water, in the baking soda water for 30 seconds. And now it says that we need to brush it with egg wash, like an egg wash mixture. So it's 1 egg in here and a tablespoon of water. I'm gonna show you how and then I'll let you do it, okay?
Okay. Merry Christmas!
These are our pretzels. Yay. And now we're gonna put them in the oven. Okay, pretzels are done. They look great. Ooh. Let's do this. Let's.
Do you guys have to use that?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do one of these guys. Put some butter.
Give me that.
Okay, here you go. Be careful, it is hot. I'm gonna take the butter one. Wait, that's not enough.
Butter one?
Okay, the butter. And then I'm gonna dip it like this. Good. Okay. You wanna do some?
Yes.
How about you? I put the butter and then you dip it,
Yeah, that's something. Yeah. Can't let you have all the fun.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, go take that one.
Okay.
I told you it was hot. I told you it was hot.
Mama. Okay.
Let's try it. Make sure there's no paper on it.
It's good.
So what do you give it out of 10? 1 is really bad. 10 is like, oh my gosh, I could eat all of them.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
Let me try. It smells good. Nice crunch on the outside.
How does it feel?
This is good.
What do you get?
Wow. I did just eat a piece of paper. We are gonna brush past that because the flavor is really, really good. I love it. You know what we need?
What?
Some cream cheese.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. So, I do give this recipe a 10 out of 10. I think you guys should try it. Come see. It's so good. It's so good. I think you guys should definitely give this one a try. And this won't be the last time that we're making this. So say bye.
Bye.
Thanks for joining us today. Bye.